Hi there, welcome to Spoonful of Nutrition. I'm Elizabeth Huggins, registered dietitian at Hilton Head Health, and today we're at the Greenery to talk about culinary herbs. So we have a variety of herbs here, everything from basil, chives, rosemary, mint, and it's a really fun thing to try to incorporate some herbs into your cooking. You don't usually have to start out with a large amount of herbs, perhaps just starting out with something simple like basil, which is really versatile and you can use in a lot of cooking. So if you're new to gardening, the first thing you want to do is transplant them into a larger container. These herbs right here, your basil, your chives, parsley, as well as things like mint, they like more water, so you need to put them in a large enough container where they stay moist. The other thing that you want to consider is the type of soil that you purchase. If you're buying your herbs at a garden, you can certainly ask for help so that you find the right type of soil. And organic compost works out really well. What you don't want to do is fertilize using a chemical fertilizer, because while it'll cause really lush leaves to grow, they're not as tasty. So if you're specifically buying these to use in cooking, you want them to taste as great as possible. If you're looking at something like basil, basil is so versatile. It can go into Italian dishes, sauces, certainly if you're making something like a basil hummus or you're making pesto. And the thing about fresh basil is it takes a really simple meal and makes it taste great. In terms of mint, that can be a really refreshing addition to a beverage. So in the summer when it's super hot, nice cold tea with some mint in it makes it really special. Or perhaps you're going for infused water with a little bit of cucumber and mint. Once again, super refreshing. And that's a great way if you're trying to drink more water. You can use your culinary herbs to help you have a healthy habit of drinking more water. When it comes to rosemary, one of the favorite things that I like to do with it is make oven roasted potatoes. Super nice flavor, a little bit of garlic. So pretty much all of these herbs can also be found in the grocery store. So if you're trying to make changes in your diet, lower your sodium, but you're not necessarily ready to grow your own herb garden, once again, keep it simple. You can go to the grocery store, find whatever herbs you need for your particular dish, add great color and taste and good nutrition to your diet. So remember, when it comes to growing herbs, have fun, keep it simple, and enjoy.